Alright, so after a few months of using this set of strings, magpapalit na nga tayo with Kaplan from Dedario. Okay, so this will be your first impressions review. So unbox natin itong set na to. So I got this from Tom Lee in Hong Kong. No, pinabili ko sa cousin ko who was working there. I think we got it for less than 4,000 pesos. Di ko alam kung magkano na ba yung mga set. Kasi I think February ko pa to pinabili kasi hindi nga ako sure sa magiging longevity nung Yargar Young Talent. So medyo matagal na rin sa akin. Tinago ko lang na maganda. So this is a Kaplan, which is, I think it's like the high-end strings of the Dario. Lalo na sa violin, no? It's more expensive than Helicore yata. So, dalawang klase siya. Kaplan Amo, which is silver, is for more bright sounding. Siguro mako-compare natin siya sa Eva, ganun. Or, ano ba sa Tomastic? Di ko alam sa Tomastic. You can say Infeld Blue. And then this one is yung Kaplan Amo. So yung kanina Vivo, yung brighter Amo is for warmer sounding strings. Ayan. So comparable with I think Infeld Red or Obligatos. Ayan. So unbox natin, tingnan natin kung ano yung packaging niya. This is not my first time using the Dario strings, no. Readily available sa market dito sa Philippines yung Prelude, which is their cheaper option. It's a steel core string, pero pwede na rin pang araw-araw, no? Siguro testing ulit natin some other time. So open ko siya from the back. Dito meron siyang parang tear here. And so pagbukas mo, you will see this ayan. So E is carbon steel core, no? A, aluminum winding, D is silver, and also G. Ayan. So medium tension naman siya. Medium tension strings. Ano ba to? Resibo lang from Tom Lee. Siningit lang siguro ng pinsan ko. So, once you open the box, meron siyang ganito. And may code dito. May points daw. Pero, ako gagamit yan. So, ayan. So, when we get the strings out, they are inside this packet. So, hindi reusable. Medyo minus points yon kasi plastic. Tapos, tatapon mo siya. Pero, siguro maganda rin because it would be vacuum sealed. Ayan. So, iwas ng degradation ng strings. So, we have E. Carbon steel E. Pag di ako nasayahan sa E string, pamalit ako dyan. We have an A string, aluminum A string, silver plating, and then ayan, D, aluminum wound naman, no? Silver wound, yung G, sorry. And then yung D, silver din. So aluminum A and tin E. So ayan, babalikan ko kayo. I'll live stream muna yung pagpapalit ko ng strings and I'll give my first impressions right after that live stream. Alright, so ito na. Nakapagpalit na tayo ng strings, no? Katapos ko lang mag-live and ito. So, ayan yung tsura niya. G, D, A, and E strings. Winding niya is, ano ba to? Parang copper yung color. Medyo brownish, goldish color. Tapos, ayan. G is black. Red. D is yellow. A is, ano ba A? Black. And E is green. Ayan. So far, no, wala pa siya sa tono, which is normal. Pero maganda yung projection niya. Although metallic sounding pa rin. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Gabi na kasi. Pero ito yung sound niya ngayon. So, wala pa rin sa tono. So, nagpalit ako parang around 9 p.m. Medyo unstable pa din siya. Pero, first impressions is something really nice. No? Maganda yung tapon niya, yung projection niya. Although, I find na parang yung responsiveness niya a little bit off. Medyo matagal mag-respond. Pero I think that's quite normal for dark sounding strings, 'di ba? Medyo iba yung response time niya. Hindi yung paglagay mo kakapit agad, parang kailangan niya muna mag-warm up or something. And then medyo magaspang yung feel ng bow on the string itself. It has to do with the winding and all. But overall, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung magiging developments, no? So tomorrow we'll do a follow-up para ma-wrap up na rin natin yung video. And I'll see you then. Good night muna. Alright, so umaga na. It's been, I think, almost 12 hours since we changed our strings. Ayan. So, siguro nag-settle na siya. Testingin natin, no? Ngayon ko pa lang din siya tutugtugin. So, medyo, ano na siya, stable na siya kasi tinono natin kanina. And, mas lumakas pa yung sound niya. Nawala ng konti yung metallic tinge na naririnig natin, no? So for a dark sounding string, parang hindi ko maramdaman na super dark ng sound niya, no? Kasi, my violin has always been a little bit warmer sounding, but this one, the projection is good. Mapapansin nyo, grabe yung vibration ng strings. So titignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari sa kanya habang tumatagal. But overall, sa na-experience natin now, the feel on the fingers is much softer compared sa previous strings na gamit natin, which was Yargar Young Talent. But of course, it's not a direct comparison kasi nga magkaiba sila ng price point, but this one's a little bit softer but still responsive, no? Yung pakiramdam niya sa fingers. Although I feel like tension wise parang medyo mas mataas yung tension niya. Maybe that's what's causing it to sound brighter. Maybe mas stretch out pa to fully. But again, this is just the first impression from unboxing to putting it on the strings, and baka magbago pa, no? So of course we will do a full review in the near future for this set of strings. Yeah. So watch out nyo sa mga performances natin this coming months. Ito yung magiging strings natin, and balikan ko kayo mamaya to give my final thoughts on this first impressions review. Okay, so Sunday na. Simula nung ginawa natin yung first impressions review natin ng Kaplan. So I can say na hindi na to medyo gamit na natin siya for 3 days, no, 2 or 3 days. Especially na Saturday. Medyo maraming tugtog. Whole day ako tumutugtog. From 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. No? So, pwede na natin siyang gawa ng konting mas in-depth na review. Not just first impressions. Okay? So, sa experience ko, no, of course, warm sounding strings usually talaga, you can't get that, that bright, piercing sound. Of course, they're not made for that. They're made for more rich, no, mas grounded na sound, if you know what I mean. So, again, I wouldn't recommend these strings for beginners, for musicians na hindi sanay sa dark na sounding na instruments kasi nakakapagod siya. Kasi kahit ako napagod ako, no. So, syempre orchestra yung setting, I had to lead the orchestra. Medyo napagod ako in a sense na hindi siya super responsive, which is, most of the time ganun talaga yung mga dark sounding strings. Ano nga ba ina-expect natin, di ba? But, yun, kasi medyo high tension nga siya compared to other dark sounding strings. Akala ko mas madali siya kontrolin. After the break-in time of about 1 to 2 days, no? Kasi nung Thursday night until Friday, ginagamit ko lang siya. Siyempre, narinig natin yung metallic tinge, no? Yung character ng metallic sound. Nung natapos na yung break-in period na yon, nung tuloy-tuloy ko na siyang ginamit nung Saturday, naramdaman ko na yung feeling na medyo kailangan mo talagang daanin sa ibang way to project the sound, no? Which is not a good or bad thing, no? Ganun lang talaga sila made, no? So ito yung sinasabi nila na it's for more experienced players. So medyo nakakapagod, especially kung medyo pop lang naman yung tugtugan na kailangan mo lang lumitaw. No, you don't need so much color kasi amplified ka naman. So hinahanap mo lang din yung sound na yon. But it's good for, I think, solos, no? Kung may mga solos kayo, yan, maganda siyang gamitin. Very warm sounding talaga. Talagang hindi man siya mag-project ng malayo, mararamdaman mo yung depth ng sound ng strings niya. So, another thing is, I think, I'm not sure, hindi ko alam kung old stock ba or something, but it felt rough on the bow. Parang bago siya tumunog, as in kailangan mong maramdaman yung roughness ng it's not that smooth of a stroke kapag pag dinraw mo yung bow mo. So I tried it with my carbon bow. I also tried it with my wooden bow. And parehas lang talaga na, yun nga, siguro because of its dark character na kailangan mo talagang palabasin muna. Hindi agad lalabas yung sound, no? So it's not that responsive in that way. It doesn't project as well. Pero yun yung beauty niya, no? Doon siya nagsa-stand out. So again, it's not something I would recommend you buying if you haven't tried other dark strings first. There are dark sounding strings that sound a little bit more or are more forgiving for new beginner players or more intermediate players. Like for example, yung Tsigan, di ba? Sabi natin, warm, nandun yung warmth niya, but meron pa rin siyang konting projection. Ito talaga, warm na warm, no? It's like, for me, if I would compare like the darker strings, it's like in the middle of Spirocore. If you've tried that, super yun. Talaga yung pinaka-dark na strings. Darker than Obligatos for me, in my opinion. So it's in the middle of that and the Larsen Tsigan. Yung Obligato kasi kahit na dark siya, medyo ang dali lang din yan patunugin. No? May ganun siyang feeling. So, nandun siya naglalaro. So, I think it's best for super bright instruments, yung talagang piercing yung instrument niya just to mellow it out. And for dark instruments, actually, I wouldn't recommend it for dark sounding instruments na. No? Kasi sa akin, mine is not that bright sounding in the first place. Siguro kaya din ako medyo nagkakaroon ng konting difficulty in producing the right sound. Kasi umabot ako sa point na mararamdaman ko na magsisqueak na siya. Pero parang, gusto ko pang palabasin. No? But again, we'll see in the future kung ano pa yung maging experience natin habang tumatagal kasi syempre hindi mo tayo magpapalit agad, no? Medyo mahal yung strings. So, sulit ba siya for less than 4,000? I think if you are into dark sounding strings and na-try mo na yung mga ibang dark sounding strings na a little bit on the higher end, this one is actually pretty more, you could say, cheaper than the standard ones like obligatos and Shigan. Oh no, I think Shigan would be cheaper. I'm not really sure ngayon kasi nga ang bili natin dito is around less than 4,000 pesos. But it's a good try if you are an intermediate player. Pero kung beginner, tapos gagastos ka ng ganong kamahal na string and then hindi mo pa alam kontrolin yung instrument mo, dyan ka mahirapan. Kasi ang maganda sa dark sounding strings is that you can really control the color, anong klaseng sound yung palalabasin, mapapalabas mo dun sa instrument. But you need a certain level of expertise to reach that, no? So, wag mo na. Kung medyo nagka-budget tapos beginner pa, wag mo na. Try other strings muna na mas magpapalabas ng sound ng instruments. Yeah. So again, if you have any more questions about these strings, comment down below and we'll try to answer. Of course, we'll do a follow-up review kapag magpapalit na ulit tayo. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong content na to. If you did, drop a like. Comment down below more content you'd like to see. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Good luck sa inyo.